This is a money world. Like, you can't live without money in your daily life, and we buy things with money and we earn money from our job. You see, money is everywhere in our lives. So when we learn Mandarin Chinese, we will need to know how to say Chinese money or Chinese yuan in the language. That will make you not starving in China, and maybe you will benefit from the language to get a job or even run your own business. Are you ready? Let's dive into the world of money in Chinese. In this video, I will first talk about the Chinese currency unit and a brief introduction of it. Then we will talk about some most common phrases related to money that we will use in our daily lives. Currency in China has a rich history. It began with a primitive form of currency like shells or spades. During the Zhou dynasty, round coins with square holes were introduced. The Qin dynasty brought the standardized round coins. In the Tang dynasty, paper money emerged. The Ming dynasty saw the introduction of copper coins. Later, machine-struck coins were used during Qin dynasty. Today, China used yuan as its official currency. The evolution of Chinese currency reflects the country's economy, political, and cultural changes over the time. By the way, if you would like to know more about Chinese culture or how to learn Mandarin Chinese more efficiently, please subscribe to the channel and you will not miss anything. The Chinese yuan, also known as the renminbi, is the official currency of People's Republic of China. It is abbreviated as CNY or RMB. In the Chinese currency system, there are two different sets of terms to refer the units of currency: yuan, jiao, fen, and kuai, mao, and fen. The term yuan, jiao, fen is more traditional and formal way to denoting currency units in China. On the other hand, kuai, mao, fen is a more colloquial and informal way of referring to currency unit, often used in everyday conversation. 1 yuan is equal to 10 jiao, and 1 jiao is equal to 10 fen. The Chinese yuan is widely used within mainland China for everyday transaction, and is also accepted in some international markets, and its use is gradually expanding globally. So here are some common phrases when we are talking about money in different circumstances of our daily life. 问价, ask price. 多少钱, how much. Before you decide to buy something or before you pay, you will always ask for the price first. Or maybe just me ask for the price. In this case, you could use the phrase 多少钱. Word 多少 means how many, and 钱 is money. Literally, it means how many or how much money. This is because in Chinese, every noun has a measure word, and so does money, 钱. You could say 这个多少钱? How much is this? Or 这件衣服多少钱? How much is the cloth? 讲价 bargain, 便宜 cheap, 贵 expensive. To bargain is kind of culture in China, especially in the Chinese traditional market. Maybe just for a few cents or just for one spring onion. Some people quite enjoy to bargain. And if you are doing business with a Chinese seller, you could always ask for a better price. You might be surprised by the final price you get. So you may say something like 太贵了，老板，便宜点吧. Too expensive, boss. Give me a better price. Or 这里的水果真便宜. The price of fruits is really cheap or low here. 购买 purchase, 买 buy, 卖 sell, 省钱 save money, 花钱 spend money. When we are talking about 买 buy, we have to be careful about the tone, because if you change it to the fourth tone, it will become 卖 sell. So tone is very important in Chinese, and you could check my video about tones in the description. We just talked about to bargain. So to bargain is to save money, right? As you spend less. 省钱 save money. I know 省 got a meaning of province, but here it means 节省 save. And spend money is 花钱. This is a very interesting word that 花 itself means flower. It also could be a verb that means to spend, and is only related to energy, money, or time. Here is the example for these circumstances. 你不要再花钱买衣服了，你都可以开店卖了。现在省钱去学一门技能吧。Don't spend any more money on buying clothes. You could open a clothing store with all the clothes you have. It's time to save money and learn a new skill. 银行 bank, 利息 interest, 透支 overdraft, 存钱 deposit money, 取钱 withdraw money. When we talk about money in any language, we can't avoid banks. 银行 literally means the station of silver. This is because silver was the currency in China for a long time. So what could you do in the bank? The most common thing is cash in or deposit, 存钱, or withdraw or cash out money, 取钱. When you have money in your bank account, or if you have an overdraft, 透支, in your account, then bank may pay you or charge you interest, 利息. For example, 你的银行账户透支了，不往里面存钱的话，银行会收你利息的。If your bank account is overdrawn, the bank will charge you interest if you don't deposit money into it. 我去银行取钱买东西。I'm going to the bank to withdraw money for shopping. 结账 pay the bill, settle the payment. 账单 invoice. 结账 and 买单 are both phrases used in Chinese to refer to settling the bill, 账单, or pay for a meal or service. However, there is a slight difference in usage and context. 结账 is a more general term that can be used in various situations when paying for goods or services. It can be used in restaurants, shops, hotels, or any other situation where a payment is made. It implies the act of finalizing financial transaction and settling the amount owed. On the other hand, 买单 specifically refer to paying the bill in a restaurant or dining setting. For example, 你好，麻烦帮我结账。另外，账单麻烦发我一下。Hello, could you please help me settle the bill? Also, could you please send me the invoice? 服务员，买单 the bill please. 支付 payment. 现金 cash. 刷卡 card. 转账 transfer. 手机支付 mobile payment. 微信支付 WeChat Pay. 支付宝 Alipay. 扫码 scan the code. Payment in China is slightly different to the other place. In China, you still could use 现金 cash, 刷卡 card, 转账 bank transfer. But you could use 手机支付 mobile payment. That could use 微信支付 WeChat Pay or 支付宝 Alipay, and just need to scan a QR code to make the payment. Currently, even in the traditional market, people are using 微信支付 WeChat Pay or 支付宝 Alipay to receive or pay money. It is really cashless now in China, and normally people just need to take his or her mobile to go out, as it could be your ID, your wallet, your phone, and many other functions. For the card payment, 刷卡 literally means swipe card. Although we are using chip and pin or contactless at the moment, but because swipe card has been exist for a long time and people get used to say it. So 刷卡 means card payment, not just swipe card. In these circumstances, we can say 请问您是现金、刷卡、转账还是手机支付？我们这里可以使用微信支付或者支付宝，这边扫码就可以。May I ask if you prefer cash, card payment, bank transfer, or mobile payment? We accept WeChat Pay and Alipay here, so you can simply scan the QR code for the payment. So that's some basic information about money in China, and I believe you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about learning Chinese phrases, please click this video. And I will see you next video. Bye.